Hello students, I hope you understood simple future and future progressive tense. Today we will read about future perfect tense. Affirmative, I shall have written. Negative, I shall not have written. Interrogative, shall I have written? Negative interrogative, shall I not have written? Okay, in this tense, future perfect tense, we will use will have, shall or shall have plus verb की third form. Okay, so now we will read the uses of future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to express completion of an action by a given time in future. Okay, for example, we shall have built a factory by the end of the year. They will have completed their study by next May. And it is also often used to express past possibility with the models can, may, will, etc. For example, he might or could will have won a prize. They will have reached their destination. So, you have to fill exercise number 11. In this exercise, you have to rewrite the sentences using the future perfect tense of verb given in the brackets. He bracket में do this job in half an hour. So what will we fill here? He will have done this job in half an hour. Second, he win a scholarship. He will have won a scholarship. Okay, so we will use in these sentences will have, shall have plus verb की third form. Okay students, I hope you are understanding. And now we will read about future perfect progressive tense. For example, I shall have been writing. I shall not have been writing. Shall I have been writing? Question mark. Shall I have not been writing? Now we will read the uses of future perfect progressive tense. The perfect progressive tense is used to express an action which is in progress over a period of time before its completion at some point of time in future. For example, I will have been studying English for 3 years by end of this month. So this sentence is used to express an action which is in progress over a period of time, okay, before its completion. When he returns, the workers will have been completing their job for 2 months. Okay, so you have to solve exercise 12 also. In this exercise, sentence number 1, by this time the committee argue on this point for 2 hours. So what will we fill here? By this time the committee will have been arguing on this point for 2 hours. Okay, he write by 8 a.m. He will have been writing by 8 a.m. So I hope you will do this. You will fill exercise number 11 and 12. If you have any query, then you can ask. Okay dear students, thank you.